Hello everyone, and today I'm here on Animal Jam. I've never actually played this in front of you guys, but today we're doing it. So, I only have like 4 buddies. Yeah, I only have 4 buddies. And no. I'm still kind of new, and yeah, I spent a lot of money. What is this? Oh. So I'm just gonna be like playing games and stuff. Ooh. There's one I'm really good at. Yeah, it's this one. And I always going hard. Okay. I think I'm gonna use all the pieces. Yep. Come on, give me them gems. Come on, let's give me them. Give me them gems. Yes. That's what you call a total loss. 46 gems on my first try. You know what? I'm not even gonna try anymore. I'm bored. Here's my den. It's not much. I literally was just on and I just traded with someone for this. I didn't actually buy this. I have no clue how to, because... Oh, do you go here? Nope. Apparently that doesn't do anything. I tried it before and I don't know why I'm doing it again. But here's my den. Yeah, I have another character. This one's my favorite and I got a pet. But I also have... This was my first one. She's still pretty cute, but I really like this one too. So I'm just gonna get this on. But yeah, nothing much to do here. But today, we're gonna be doing something. We're going... Tell me down in the comments if you recognize this name. This is Alice LPS's Animal Jam thing, and she is very, spiced up. I already looked it up, and wow, she even changed, her den. See, look how crazy it is. Girl, you spend way too much. Look at this. Dude. Oh, I can go in it. This just looks magical. So magical. Oh, by the way, if you want to friend me, my name is Kawaii Bunny Girl 102. If you haven't noticed already. This is really big. Girl. Boy, this is so... What? There's even gold up here. This place is so big. I want to go down the rainbow. This is the best. I really want to friend her, but she doesn't take any friend requests. See, let me show you. Doop. See, I had a... And it says, I'll start the not accepting buddy requests right now. So, that means that she won't be able to friend me, which is kind of disappointing because I really want to friend her. But I told her in one of her comments that, please, friend me. Okay. I'm just wandering around, doing absolutely nothing. Okay. So, I have nothing really to do. So what I'm gonna do is maybe I'm gonna go to this. Oh, I never opened this up. I want to try and find a phantom. I think I've seen a phantom once, but I want to go to this tree. Whoa, that girl has a unicorn. What is this? Oh, you get a pet snake. This one, I'm guessing you get a pet cat. Whoa, the door just opened. Whoa. You don't usually see a seal every day that has wings. You know, I'm gonna try and find her. She's probably not going to accept it, but whatever. Oh, she did. Okay. What about this guy? He looks cool. I'm just gonna like send friend requests to everyone. I really want her to friend me. Yay! She friended me. Yay! They've been. What is this? What does that mean? What does this mean? I really don't know what that button means. Okay, I'm happy. And I'm gonna dance. Yeah, boy. I look so cute. Oh, by the way, if you haven't already noticed, I have a pet. Oh, no, wait. See, look at it. It's so cute. It's a hamster. Customized it myself. I really want to get a cat, but I don't have a membership, so I can't get it. Because I'm not wasting all my money on Animal Jam. Like, no offense, but like, it's not that. I just joined someone's thing. Oh, wait. What? I'm so confused. What? Oh. Okay. What? I am so confused. Oh. No offense, but like, sorry, dude. Oh my gosh. Did you not, like, read it? It said pull back. Okay, I'm pulling it back. Oh, that went overboard. I gotta, like, go down a little. So I go, like this. Oh, that was something. Can you change it? I don't think you can. Oh no. No, my tower! How dare you? It went way overboard, so I'll remember not to go this high. Okay. Dang it. What is that? Was that there before? I just noticed that. Just this weird berry thing there. No. Remember to go a little higher. And that did absolutely nothing. Great. Can I change it to this? No. What is this, like, weird ball thing? Can I change it? Oh, yes, I can. Since it says it's heavy. Nope. Oop. Apparently it's not heavy. I thought it meant, like, wait, what? Ooh. This kind of reminds me of Angry Birds. Like, especially this one, because of, like, the three bluebirds. I'm gonna try this. Yeah, boy. Okay. No offense, dude. I'm getting kind of bored. Sorry. I want to leave now. Okay, goodbye. She's probably gonna, like, kill me. She's gonna be like, why did you quit the game? Why is there a question mark? No, I don't care. Okay, so I guess that's basically gonna be it. I didn't do much, but I did something. So, bye guys.